All right, magic trick.
Chicken magic. What?
Ah! Where'd your thumb go?
Right here.
You took it off your hand? Huh? Put it back. That's not funny, Jackson.
Put your thumb back where it goes.
Whoa! What else do you know how to do, magician? Are you drinking water? Where's it coming from? All right, do you know one more trick?
Let's see. No.
No, that's it?
A shirt
Yeah.
trick, maybe?
All right, how do you do that? How do you do those tricks?
I have laser beams
Oh.
that go down and they make my brain smart and shows me laser beam power to do tricks.
Very cool.
I'm ready. I'm going to lose my finger right now. A shark!
Wow.
A shark!
Very good.
A shark!
Say the
Grandma.
end.